do you like to use ingredients you've already have on hand to totally create something new? Well, I like doing that. I was talking to a friend of mine about winter drinks, and she said, "I'll make chai." I said, "Really? Can I have your recipe?" So she actually gave it to me. Thanks, Patsy. So this is Patsy's chai tea. You probably have most of this at home. I'll give you a quick rundown of what's in it, and then I will give you the exact directions in the video. Powdered milk, coffee mate, iced tea. Make sure it is not lemon. This is just plain old-fashioned tea and nothing else in here. French vanilla coffee mate. I didn't have a bag of sugar to show you because I dumped it all in my containers and threw the bag away. So you'll just have to trust me on that. Is sugar. Okay, I have cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. Okay. Now theoretically I should put this in a big glass container and shake it up, but guess who doesn't have one? That would be me. So I'm putting it in a empty coffee mate container. Okay, I'm just going to put it in here. I'm going to put my spices down here on the bottom. Guys, I have to admit, this does smell really good. Now I want to warn you, after you shake this up, let it sit for 3 or 4 minutes, because all these powders are going to be going everywhere. So, shake it up. Do you know of a better way? If you do, let me know in the comments. I'm just shaking them up, getting everything mixed. Okay, I'm going to let it sit there and let all of that calm down. So while that's doing that, I'm going to get rid of all these little containers. I'm going to heat some water up, and we're going to have a glass of chai as soon as we get water hot. Okay, I just took the lid off. I'll show you what it looked like after I shook it. I even shook it after I got off camera. Okay, the instructions say about a tablespoon. So, looks like about a tablespoon to me. What about you? My water is hot. Hopefully not too hot to drink, but we'll see. She also said you may need to adjust the amount of mixture in here. I won't know that, honestly, until I have my first glass. I like my instant drinks like this fairly strong, so we'll see. It smells really good. So, here's to you, Patsy. Thank you. That is actually excellent. Wow. I'll bet even the 10-year-old is going to be begging for that. He likes Russian tea, which is another drink that I make in the fall. And this is, it has some of the same spices that the Russian tea does. So, I'll have to give Jackson some of that. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. To me, this right here is about a 6-ounce cup. I measured it yesterday. So about 6 ounces of water and a good sized tablespoon of the chai mix. And folks, you got yourself a perfect wintertime drink. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.